The biggest uncertainty that I as a mentor has been getting is, sir, is CAT even going to happen this year? So all such doubts and questions have been put to rest. CAT is happening and very much happening on schedule on 29th of November. So if you have started your preparation already, it's time to buck up, pull up your socks, and get on with it. And if you haven't, it's not too late, so you can immediately start your preparation. Yeah, I am Karthik from IMS, and I'll take you through the notification. Let's go on to the most important things first. Yeah. Most important, the CAT is scheduled to be happening on 29th of November in 2 sessions, as it has been every year. Okay, exam mode is still center proctored. Registrations are starting on 5th of August. That's when you start filling up your forms and applying to all the IIMs also. Okay, but make sure you fill it up before 16th of September and don't wait for the last day. Yeah, and post that 28th of October onwards, you can start downloading your admit cards. Going ahead, CAT 2020 will be a 3-section test. Duration is still 180 minutes, keeping 60 minutes for each section. The 3 sections are still the same. That were, always the case. Verbal ability and reading comprehension, the first section. Second is data interpretation and logical reasoning. And the third section, it ends with quantitative ability. Okay. Since the overall pattern, the overall structure is same. Okay. We may assume that the number of questions can also remain same for CAT 2020 as they were in CAT 19, or maybe, at the max 1 or 2 questions here and there. CAT 19 section 1 verbal ability had 34 questions. Data interpretation and logical reasoning had 32 questions, and quantitative ability had 34 questions. So that made up the 100 questions in CAT 19. Okay, we assume that these questions may not change, but if at all, they'll change by a minor bit. Another thing important that you need to know, this was the case in the last 2 CATs also. Some questions may be MCQs, rather most of them will be MCQs, which are multiple choice questions, and some questions will be TETA questions. Good news for most of you, an on-screen basic calculator also will be provided, as it has been since the last 2 years across all the 3 sections in CAT. Registration fees is 1,000 rupees for SC, ST and PWD category candidates. Okay, and it is rupees 2,000 for everybody else. Now, reservation policy is more or less standard. Nothing much has changed this year around. Okay, 15% seats are for SC, 7.5 for ST, and so on and so forth. Not getting into the detail, but yeah, this is what the policy is. Now, coming to the important bit, how can IMS help you? So IMS has this thing called Catapult Express live batches. Okay, 75 plus live sessions. Okay, more than 150 hours of video content covering the concepts, covering the applications of the questions, and so on and so forth. Okay, 55 full-length mocks, the CAT and the other exams like NMAT and ZAT and IIFTs and all of that. Okay. New batches are starting as we speak. One batch starts on 29th of July. Then there is another batch on 2nd August, 5th August, and so on. You can get in touch with your nearest IMS center, or you can even visit imsindia.com/CAT for any more details of the batches. So yeah, hi guys. I wish you all the best, guys. Do well at this CAT.